7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Damn. This is loud. Hell yeah, it's fucking loud. Jesus.
Did you poop a little bit?
A little bit. This is part 2 of our trolling motor kayak adventure here. And when we left off, we had the mount done, and that's about it, right? We just had the mount done.
We had the mount done. We hadn't figured out how to. We were trying to figure out a way to make it turn, which we were unsuccessful with the throttle cable that we were originally trying to use. So, me and Mr. Shaky Head put our heads together and said,
We schemed up an idea.
after doing some research on YouTube and on the internet, and
All original ideas.
all original, but so far this is what we've come up with, and I will say it works pretty good.
Basically, if you want the most rigged up kayak you can possibly get, you found your answer here. Okay. Now let's go over the new edition of the steering mechanism here. The incomplete steering mechanism, that we're going to talk about here for a second. So, we've got two eye bolts with some what do you call these things?
D-rings,
Clampy. They had a name.
D-rings, aren't they?
I don't know, the clampy thing, same things you use for like hiking and rock climbing and stuff, except these are like the ones you're not supposed to use.
They're not for weight.
They're not for weight. Anyways, so we've got these little line clamps, I guess you could call them, with some, you guessed it, weed eater string.
0.95.
0.95 weed eater string. Cross them over here, put them through some more eye bolts. These pulleys are going to be gone soon, so don't worry about those. Put them through some more eye bolts to help guide them through here. Another eye bolt here to keep it off the sides. Into a fashionable wood handle, which is going to be sanded down and stained. Looking really good. Held on with some lag bolts. So yeah, that's the steering mechanism, and basically you want to teamwork it. So that's one way, right? Just try it. Okay. Other way. Look at there. Look at there.
I will have to say, for what it is, it actually works.
It does work. It works good.
The only problem that I see so far is the weed eater string. When it gets warm, it gets a little stretchy. But
It's stretchy no matter what.
I don't really see it being a problem. If it is, we can substitute it out with some cable. We even thought about using a braid.
Here we go.
I mean, we have the cable and everything.
Steel cable we can try out. If we don't like this, we can always go back.
What scares me is you get it in the water and you're moving and you go to pull it and it just locks up in one direction and you can't bring it back.
I don't think it's gonna lock up. This is my theory. I think worst case scenario, this thing's just gonna stretch and make it hard to turn. That's just me thinking. It's gonna stretch and make it hard to turn. I don't think it'll break. Weed eater stuff. I mean, that's
Weed eater string is very strong, but it also is very stretchy.
It's very stretchy, but I think we'll be okay.
And so guys, this is a 1/2-inch clamp. Basically, you take 2 of these, you go buy one of them, and it's what they call it is a pipe hanger. And so you basically buy 2 of them, split them apart, and then put the 2 ends together. Buy 2 eye bolts and some nuts, and you got a way to clamp to this steering column, or to the steering shaft.
Steering column.
Steering column. Anyway, but I think we're gonna cut this down. Basically, I've got a little PVC elbow 90 degree I'd like to put on there. Then we're gonna take the wire and we are going to run it up through there, and then we're gonna put like a hole. I ordered a grommet, but the grommet hasn't come in yet, so I don't know if we'll use a grommet or a quick disconnect, like kind of a three-way plug or whatever you want to call it. But it's going to go into here, and the battery is going to sit right here.
We gotta make a tray.
I am a huge guy. I'm 6'6", and
Mostly huge.
I'm probably 275 on a good day.
275.
And so one of the problems and one of the concerns is being too heavy.
Doing a phone call.
That's what happens when you're Mr. Shaky Head.
Pause.
Mr. Shaky Head ain't important.
Oh,
Oh,
it's a random number. Let's answer it. Hello?
Hi, my name is Alicia Gillen. I'm calling from Some Again, I would like to let you know that this call will be recorded or monitored.
can't get nothing done.
Anyway, Spectrum Cat. The internet company just called me and we said, hey, we want to make sure that you know what you have is working fine. What do you have? I'm like, you
Internet.
should know what I have,
Internet.
basically. She's like, internet. Like, yes, I have internet. I have internet for you guys. Well, what do you look up on the internet?
Internet stuff.
I was like,
I'm a YouTube star.
what do you mean, what do I look up on the internet?
You don't talk
That's
to
a personal question, first of all. You don't call up people out of the blue and ask them what they look up on the internet. What do
Perv?
you-
Oh, man.
But anyway,
You know what, man? This is Mr. Shaky Head, YouTube sensation. And you're going to call him and say, hey.
pause right there. The
Mm,
Mr. Shaky
my
Head.
mother. The
Do you see him?
space Shaky Head.
They're calling you now.
Hello.
What do you look up on the internet?
Playing in the garage. What you doing?
in the back of the old kayak here. Now we got a battery, which we gotta make a mount for it still, but that'll come at a later date. Power wires. We got our actual wiring tucked up in the well, what'd you call it, a little cubby hole or something in there, a little crease in the kayak up to our switch panel. Now we got a low, medium, and high. We'll start on low. Oh, there we go. Got low. She's working. I'm gonna switch her up to medium. Oh yeah, baby. And high. Woo, here, kick down. It doesn't work for shit, but it could. Oh, and reverse, baby. That's it right there. Steering's done. Switch panel's mounted. You just rip the cable out.
Let's go try this bad boy out.
We gotta find the better. Yeah, we'll just leave it like that. They'll drag it.
What are you doing?
Let's see that little legroom.
Yeah, there is none.
Hey, it works. Hang on.
You can't push it.
I know, just hold this up.
What are you laughing at?
I can't fucking handle the thing with fly.
Lock it.
You're in the flood.
Lock.
There. You're still in the flood.
I got it.
Fire it bad boy up, it's floating, man.
I ain't going nowhere. Uh-oh. I think we got it better.
We might need to put some actual terminals on the end of that. Oh, there it goes. Wow. Don't go too far, man. It works. It works. It works. It works. Oh man.
Well, enjoy your ride, baby.
The wood is almost touching the water. It is touching the water.
Well, I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty stable, but so this thing is rolling on. I'm almost got a weight going.
I'm pissed you haven't sank yet.
Why?
I wish you would sink. You know, you're always gonna have someone with you to pull you up on the shore.
No, I'll show you how to do it.
How you gonna get out? That thing's making weight.
Yeah, I know it. Here, take this. Yeah. I won't get wet. It wasn't too bad.
Yeah, you got it. Alright. Well, unlock your trolling motor there.
Ooh.
Oh, it's coming up.
Oh yeah, hey, nice feature.
See? Nice
Got it.
feature. I like that.
Hey, success.
Although the water was literally like right here.
That's where you want it, man.
No, that's not where you want it. Top of the kayak, it's a little ass heavy.
Well, it could be the battery in me.
Maybe a smaller battery.
Or in the front. That's where the styrofoam is.
You gotta stretch the wire. Well, no, you probably won't have to stretch the wire.
Oh,
We'll have to redo our little harness here, but anyways, did it turn good? I mean,
yes.
it's doing
Why don't
great.
you ride it?
No. Dude, no.
Why?
I'm not riding that.
Dude, it was flawless.
I know it's flawless for you, but I don't like kayaks, first of all. I'm not good on kayaks.
Please, just
No.
try it. Try it.
No.
Try it.
I ain't doing that.
Why?
You ain't gonna get me in that kayak.
Why?
I don't like kayaks. I almost flipped one without a trolling motor. I hate to want to be in that one. And it was wider.
So, a couple things I want to go over real quick with the kayak. Two things need to be done. One, obviously battery needs to be relocated towards the front. Obviously this is too heavy in the rear. And hopefully I get some footage off of David because I was driving this, but
Oh, I got some footage for you.
I need some footage because
some footage
I didn't
for
get to see it. I didn't get that up close shot. But
It looked like it was moving pretty quick.
oh, it was, son. It's cooking. But I want to say something about the trolling motor. I want to make a basically just a little pulley system where I can pull it up.
When you're done, you just pull it up.
When you're done, you just pull it up. But other than that, man, the steering worked flawlessly. Switches worked. It was
Try reverse?
no, I didn't.
I wouldn't.
Why?
As deep in the water as the rear end was, if you go backwards.
I don't think that weighs that much. I think what it is where you're pushing it, it's pushing the ass end down, and that's what's causing that.
That might be because when you lean forward, it all came up.
So I'm
That's
thinking
the thing.
because
you got a lot of weight back there and it's trimmed up.
it's trimmed. I don't think it's gonna sink.
No.
If
I mean, there ain't no water in it.
if you roll it, it will.
If you're in this pond, I think you got. But
So we just caught this one right before the battery went dead. Try to get him off. He's got a little damage done to him. Well, that wraps things up, guys. I appreciate y'all stopping by and watching this tutorial on how to put a trolling motor on a kayak. If y'all have anything in the future that you want me or Mr. Shaky Head to do to a kayak for modifications or altercations or whatever it may be, drop it down in the comments below and we'll try our best to try to do them to this kayak and try to take some of the work out for you and see how well it works. I do appreciate y'all stopping by. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you don't know Mr. Shaky Head, go over and check his page out, and we'll see you on the next video.